Rogun hydropower plant. Environmental risks versus energy ambitions. The construction of the Rogun hydropower plant in Tajikistan raises serious questions for the environmental community. Scale of environmental catastrophes. The construction of a dam of maximum height 335 meters will create unprecedented risks for the ecosystems of the Varsh and Amudarya river basins. The creation of a reservoir of maximum volume will lead to changes in the natural flow regime of the river. The construction of the Rogun hydropower plant will cause serious damage to the agricultural lands of Tajikistan and the entire Central Asian region. Changing the flow regime may affect the agricultural areas along the rivers, where about 7 million people live. It is also a threat to the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Tugay Forests of Tigrovaya Balka Reserve, which is home to rare species of flora and fauna. Climate aspect. The project, positioned as a clean energy source, may contribute significantly to greenhouse emission. Emissions from the reservoir will increase the carbon footprint of Tajikistan's energy system by 60%, in which the project will allegedly contribute to the decarbonization of the region. Rivers Without Borders Coalition's alternative solutions. Reducing the height of the dam by 70 meters would avoid resettlement of the some 40,000 people. Eliminate Tajikistan's winter energy deficit by 2030-2031, 6-7 years earlier than the current plan. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Defer further financing decisions until this analysis is completed. Achieve better economic efficiency and lower cost of electricity. Position of the World Bank and Kuwait Fund. The World Bank recently approved the first phase of $350 million in financing for the project. The Kuwait Fund has committed $100 million for the Rogun hydropower project. The project will improve access to electricity for Tajik citizens and help export clean energy to neighboring countries. The bank promises enhanced supervision measures to ensure the project meets international environmental standards. Violation of international norms. As for now, the Rogun hydropower plant serves only Tajikistan's economic interests. However, water resources are a common asset and their use should be regulated in accordance with UN Convention. Current decisions ignore the needs of the states in the region and violate the provisions of the Convention. Conclusion. The situation with the Rogun hydropower plant demonstrates the conflict between economic development and environmental sustainability. Funding is being allocated without detailed consideration of alternative scenarios proposed by environmentalists. This situation requires a more thorough and open discussion involving all stakeholders. Ignoring environmental risks may lead to long-term negative consequences for the entire region. The drying up of the Aral Sea has harmed millions of people. Environmentalists, let us not allow the tragedy of the Amudarya. Afghans, Turkmens, Uzbeks, Kazakhs, and all people living along the Amudarya fight for a healthy ecology and a bright future together. Let's observe ecological safety together.